All right, so I'm looking at lesson 6 exit ticket, which is about going from the diameter to the circumference and the circumference to the diameter. I've got the exit ticket over here on the left, and then I've got a calculator over here because I'm going to need a calculator for this. First, I read in the directions that it says, in this exit ticket, please use 3.14 for pi. Also, please use a calculator. So whenever we need to multiply or divide by pi, we're going to be using 3.14, and here's our calculator. Okay, so it gives us these 5 circles, and the first question says, the diameter of a circle is 3 centimeters. What is the circumference? Well, the diameter of circle A is 3. A reminder that the formula we're using here is the diameter times pi. That is a horrible pi, but you know what I'm going for here, is equal to the circumference. So I need to do 3 times pi to get the circumference. And we already talked about the fact that we're going to use 3.14. So I will do 3, this is being weird, 3 times 3.14, and I get 9.42. So my answer is going to be 9.42. And I made a mistake here. It should be 9.42 centimeters, but when I made the quiz, I said no numbers or no letters, but we should be writing 9.42 centimeters. Okay, the diameter of circle B is 10 centimeters. What is the circumference? Well, same thing. We need to do 10 times 3.14. So if I do that over here, I do 10 times 3.14, and I get 31.4. So here, the answer is 31.4 centimeters, but I can't write centimeters. All right, the circumference of circle C is 24 centimeters. What's the diameter? Well, let's set up the equation really quick. Let's do it in green for fun. So the diameter times pi is equal to 24. Well, then to figure out the diameter, I need to divide both sides by pi. So if we divide this side by pi, pi divided by pi cancels out. We just have the diameter. And then we need to do 24 divided by pi on this side. Again, super messy, but what are you going to do? So we're using 3.14 for pi, so we're going to clear this again and do 24 divided by 3.14. I get 7.64331, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to round to the 100th place. It's usually what I do. So I'm going to get 7.64 centimeters. Then it says the circumference of circle D is 18 centimeters. What's the diameter? We just need to do the same thing. We just need to divide 18. So 18 divided by 3.14. 3.14. You get 5.73, blah, 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 blah. We're going to round to 5.73. That's it. Last one, the diameter of circle E is 1 centimeter. What's the circumference? Well, remember, we're starting with the diameter, so we need to multiply by 3.14 to get the circumference. 1 times 3.14, anything times 1 is itself, so it's just 3.14 centimeters. And that's all our answer. So for either of these, you're either multiplying by 3.14, that's if you start with the diameter, or dividing by 3.14 if you start with the circumference.